Hey guys, I'm Miss Mir. Welcome to my Spanish 2 class. As you guys can see, I am not in class. I will be out for the first 4 weeks with my baby at home. But you guys have an awesome sub. You guys have Miss Melindy, and she will be with you these next 4 weeks. She's also going to help you guys get set up with all of the procedures that we're going to be doing in class. So make sure if she asks you guys to do something that you guys are polite enough to do what she says. Okay, so with that being said, we're going to go ahead and get started. We're going to go ahead and go over how to join Google Classroom. This is actually off of my website. You guys will find a lot of stuff on here that you guys need. And that would be in your Google Classroom as well. Okay, so I'm going to go to Join Google Classroom on my website, and you guys are going to see on the right hand side of your computer, you guys should see this little square. They call it a waffle. You guys are going to click that, and you guys should see a little drop down menu that is going to say Google Classroom. So make sure you guys click on that. And then once you see that, you guys will see the plus sign that says Join Class. So you guys will click the plus sign and join class. And then you guys are going to input your classroom code. So I'm going to click down here, and then I'm going to show you guys your class code. Okay, so first period, I know some of you guys had issues with that. This is actually an M, not an N, and I know 6th period was cut off. Okay, so these are your class codes, so go ahead and take some time and put that in. Once you do that, you guys are going to hit or click join. Okay, so then you guys should be in the class. Also over here, you guys should see a list for Remind, joining Remind. You guys can either click here to join the class, or you guys can text 846374 to 8101, depending on what class you guys are in. Okay, so all of those are there for you. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and we're going to go to our Google Classroom. Let me go ahead and enter into my class. I'm actually going to go into Spanish 1. All of these should be set up the same way, so you guys are going to see the same thing for the most part. Before, I know you guys were used to seeing class assignments here. This is only going to be used for announcements, like if you guys have a test or if you guys have something that's due, you guys are going to see it here. Okay, you're not going to see your classwork. Alright, so if you guys click the actual tab that says classwork, you guys will see folders on the left hand side. This is where you guys are going to see the due dates. So this here, if you guys can see, I don't have a lot posted yet, but this is classroom procedures and rules. So you guys are always going to be able to find that. You're also going to be able to find tutorials on how to do certain things. As you guys can see, there's no due date because it's not scheduled yet. So your due dates will appear here. You guys will also be able to find stuff on the sidebar where it says to do. Okay, and that's going to give you some due dates as well. Alright, so this is where you guys are going to find your classwork. So with that, as you guys can see, classroom rules and procedures. So we're going to go ahead and start with that. Our classroom rules are pretty simple. You guys be on time, on task, and prepared to learn every day. Hashtag no free days. Respect the teacher, the classroom, other students, and yourself. Be polite. 3, be responsible for your own learning. No cheating. Work hard. Number 4, clean up after yourself and your peers. Just a reminder, there's no food or drinks in the class. Okay, and then you guys also have keep all personal electronics put away only with permission. No texting, no pictures, no social media. Just make sure you guys get your work done first. Okay? So classroom procedures. I know things are a little different for us all this year, but we're still going to have a great year. So we're going to go over classroom procedures. Okay, so in my class, you guys will have to wear your mask at all times when in the classroom, and make sure you guys social distance. So one person out of their seat at a time. Okay, it's just important. It's just to keep everyone safe. Like I said, I have to go home to my baby, and I want to make sure she stays safe. And I know you guys want your family to stay safe. I know you want your friends to stay safe. So as long as we follow these protocols, then I think we'll be good. Okay. So number 2, please raise your hand if you need to get out of your seat or to answer a question. Like I said before, if you guys can just manage to do one person out of their seat at a time, you guys can get up if you need something. Okay, if you need to ask a question, just make sure you raise your hand. Number 3, Miss Melindy is actually going to go over that with you guys. That's changed a little bit. So we're going to move on to 4. Number 4 says no sharing of any kind. If you need something, please raise your hand and ask the teacher. Okay, so if you guys are in need of something, just let me know, let Miss Melindy know, and we will get that for you. Okay, and number 5 says for the safety of others and yourself, please keep your hands to yourself. Wash hands or sanitize often or as needed. Okay, and then the last one, please do not move the desks from their location. Okay, we've marked the desk location for you guys, for your safety, so you guys can social distance. So please do your best to follow the procedures, and everything will work out great. Okay, so if you guys need me, even though I'm not in the class, you guys can still email me. You guys can send me a remind. I'll schedule Google Meets with you guys. So if you do have questions about work, I'll be available to you guys. Okay, so I'm looking forward to meeting you guys as soon as I get back in the classroom. See you guys later. Adios.